Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Pura 70 Ultra, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's localize software version and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. You will probably have to enter the screen lock to confirm everything, and as you can see we've got this information. If you want to learn more about developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now we can go back to the general settings and enter system and updates and tap on developer options. Now all we have to do is to scroll down to find this option, Automatic System Updates, and tap on this switcher to turn it on. From now on, since this option is active, your device will apply the updates whenever it will be restarted, so you do not have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.